If you've had a sore throat or cough that just won't go away, make this onion tea. This is making me tear up right now, but I am determined to film this video. It's basically nature's version of Mucinex that you can find at the pharmacy. First, you want to grab half an onion. When you slice onions and heat them up, they release compounds called thiosulfonate. These help thin out mucus, so it's way easier to cough it up instead of it just sitting in your chest. You want to make sure that you're using red onion because red onions have the highest quercetin levels. Quercetin is a natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory, so it stops that constant tickle that makes you want to cough constantly. And it reduces postnasal drip, which is that annoying drip from the back of your nose down your throat that triggers even more coughing. Bring it all to a boil and lower it and simmer for 15 minutes. Add in some honey, and there you have it, the best tea to get rid of that annoying cough that won't go away and sore throat.